Hi, Teacher Mindy again with more Outschool tips. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about something I like to do, which is to add some freebies in the class. So each class that I teach for my Ready Readers, I upload 2 free books for the students and a writing page. The writing page is just a page that I create, and they're practicing writing their sight words. The other 2 free books, I have a subscription to Reading A to Z. So I download my Reading A to Z books, and I have a classroom teacher subscription. And then I upload them to the students. They can print them out. So by the end of the year, they have this great collection of books that I've uploaded in class, they've printed out, and they can read over and over for their reading practice. So giving some kind of freebie is a great little perk. For my tea party classes, I'll give out a freebie of like a coloring sheet. For my upcoming camp classes, I have a freebie of a writing sheet and a coloring sheet. And those coloring sheets, to avoid any copyright, I just made them in Canva. Super easy, super quick to make in Canva. You can also make your own little books or little pages for them to read in Canva if you'd rather write and make your own instead of getting a Reading A to Z subscription. The other thing I did is I made a little like blog post newsletter kind of thing in Canva, and I uploaded that to all of my reading class pages. And so in that, I put things like, why is reading fluency important? Why is it important to read aloud to your child each day? All the different ways of why and how they could help at home to increase their reading level of their students, and why practicing is so important. So that's just my next little tip. Include a little freebie in your classes. Then the parents, they know they're paying a lot of money for your class, but they feel like they're getting some little extra perk with each of the classes that you're offering. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.